Every year, minimum 16 to 17 questions on an average come from economy for our prelims. When compared to other subjects, the syllabus for economy is less, actually very less. But still, because of lack of proper conceptual clarity, I see a lot of students finding it difficult to get their answers correct. To address this problem, I am coming up with an exclusive 3 days economy crash course where I will be covering all the important static topics pertaining to economics in 3 days. And not just that, we will be revising the budget as well as the recently released economy review material by the government as well. So in 3 days, holistically, we will cover the static area, the budget as well as the economy review material published by the government. What topics I am going to cover. In national income, what we will revise. In public finance, what we will revise. Chapter wise, what we are going to revise. That information is available in our Telegram channel. You can come and download that material. This program is available both offline as well as online. So in Chennai campus, on March 29th, 30th and 31st, we will be having offline classes. In Delhi campus, on April 5th, 6th and 7th, we will be having this economy 3-day crash course. The program is also available in online. So all the best. I will see you in the program. Take care. Bye.